Peaches, welcome to today's video.
What's up?
As you may have realized, the month of August is my birth month and we are going to be doing something fun for this week because we're getting pretty close to my birthday, which is the 19th, and we are going to make a birthday cake. So as you may have seen, all month long we've been doing Zodiac themed videos, so today is no different. Today, my Zodiac sign is gonna pick my birthday cake and we're gonna make it here with you guys.
We're gonna make a cake.
So I went onto Google and I searched what type of birthday cake to eat based off your Zodiac sign. There's lots of links, but I just looked for some consistency, so I found 2 links. This one said to do a funfetti cake for Leos, and they say Leos love to be the life of the party, and that's never truer than on their birthday. They want a cake that's fun and vibrant, and they love funfetti because it's eye-catching colors, makes it stand out in a crowd. And the second link said something pretty similar. This one had a yellow cake that's confetti, so it's pretty similar. And this one says with brown sugar buttercream, but I just figure funfetti is a pretty good combination of the two.
According to my Zodiac sign, the Leo birthday cake is a funfetti cake, which is perfect because I really love funfetti cakes, but I've never made one from scratch. I've only ever made them from the box. So today we are going to show you the recipe we're using, see how it turns out, and have some fun in the kitchen hopefully. Let's get started. Okay, take that to the flour, fill this with 3 cups, 1.5 of those. Oh my goodness, you already got yourself covered.
Oh shit. It's a giant bag of flour.
So we're gonna start with 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
A little lot.
A little lot?
A little lot. Yay!
Half teaspoon of baking soda.
I'll do this.
What?
Salt? I don't feel it there. Get some more.
Shit, I put too much salt.
You poured it in the. You poured it over the thing?
I got it. I got it. Okay, 1.5 cups of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. In a medium bowl, sift together flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Set aside. Heat butter, sugar on medium speed until light and fluffy. 1 3/4 cups of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I put like sugar into something that I'm baking from scratch, I always feel really guilty. Like I don't want to see how much sugar I'm eating. Oh no!
What is that? A hole?
Uh-huh.
Holy! What do waste the sugar? Where do we import sugar from? How do I do it? Do I add anything to it?
Melt it. Then we mix it until light and fluffy. Scrape down the sides and bottom of bowl as needed. Add egg.
Hey, anyone got popcorn?
It's supposed to be room temperature, but
I don't play by the rules.
that looks good. Do you want to take the liberty of stirring it?
Give me the fork.
So we need 5 eggs.
Stir fast.
Egg 1.
Oh my lord!
What? There's no shell. In an excellent way. 2.
Put me in, coach.
I think you're supposed to have like an electronic mixer, so that's just the job.
I am a robot.
I think I should be a professional egg cracker. Then I gotta do it 2 at once, you know? I don't know how to do that.
You could use
Ew,
your
it's
mouth.
getting like slime texture.
Yeah.
That has so much raw egg in it. Did it taste good? Yeah, I bet it didn't. There's vanilla. We need 1 tablespoon.
A real chef doesn't use this.
I don't give a shit. We're not real chefs. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Get to stirring.
Mix
You
it,
really
mix it,
need to like kitchen aid.
Not let a robot do my job. Give me the fork back.
Buttermilk.
How much?
1.5 cups of that. Perfecto! So now we do this into 3 parts.
A little bit. Get my last bit of goodies.
Now you still have all that flour.
Oh no, it's all wrong. It's all ruined.
Don't put it on the floor!
We have to start over. Toss it.
Imagine.
Dude.
Three-quarters a cup of sprinkles. Oh.
What do you get when you oompa doompa doompa dee doo?
Pure imagination, that's what it's called.
Oh,
You don't like it?
do you really want
Here.
pure imagination?
Come with me.
Oh yeah.
And you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a
All right, stop. All right, I
look
don't care. I just want.
and you'll see
I'll sing it later by myself.
into your imagination. Should we make cupcakes and a cake? That sounds good, right?
Should I bring Lady up onto the
No.
Lady? Buttermilk. A world of pure imagination, and you'll see. Come with me, and you'll see. A world of pure imagination. Plop.
You hold the bowl, I'll scoop.
It's not mixed in.
Oh my god,
No,
stop.
you're mixing it in. I need my inner Gordon.
This tastes like plastic. Ew, it tastes so bad. Look. There's so much.
Stop! You got shit all over me. Ew, it looks like poo. Ew. Yeah. Bump, bump. Bump. Great. Ew, gosh. You're gonna feel like shit. Raw eggs.
Oh, I know. Here it is. Look at that pink goodness. I already know that this is gonna be put in the fridge, and then I'm gonna come downstairs at like 2 a.m. one day, and you're gonna be licking it. Literally put it in your mouth.
Oh my god.
Told you.
You're like lipstick all around. It's really nice.
I need more icing. Not enough icing to cake ratio.
Mmm. Oh my god. Just put it inside. That's what you want.
Not better. It's very light. Cooked all the way through. For the recipe said 20 to 25 minutes. The cupcakes we have to do 30, right?
Yeah, 30.
30 or 35, and the cake is still in there. So it's gonna be like 50 minutes. God dang, these are good. Holy shit. Matthew! Oh my god, your shit smells so good.
Yeah, those are really fluffy.
Whoa, those are like the best cupcakes I've had in a long time.
It's nice and moist and shit.
Wow.
Alright.
I'll leave the link to the recipe below because this girl killed it.
Fuck. Feels like poo. Oh man, misread that.
Operation Save the Cake.
Boom, boom. Oh, ow!
Yeah, that's right. Alright.
Like this?
Yeah. It's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, use the other one. Okay, good. Nice.
Woo! Dun, dun, dun.
What am I supposed to do?
Take a gander. It smells like baking soup or something.
You know what this reminds me of? This Easy Bake Oven.
Meatloaf.
Should I put a candle in it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Well, we baked and we got side cake.
Icing, what's your rating over 10?
Well, it's great. It's 10.
Cupcake,
Pretty great. 9.
9?
8.
Which is it, 8 or 9? 8.5?
8.5.
8.5, you heard it here, people.
8.75.
A really great cupcake. Probably one of the best cupcakes I've had in a long time. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below to see more of me. If you guys want Matt and more videos, then leave that in the comments. And if you want to see the rest of the birthday series, then turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye!
Bye.